pleasure, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Rejoice and Demande, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the family, you guys. So I am back once again with another natural hair video, and as you can see, your girl is serving all things good. Okay, so in this video I will be installing this nice curly clip-ins that actually look like my hair, but you know, that's the whole point. I will be installing this curly clip-ins from Curlsqueen. So if you are interested in seeing how I installed and got this look, continue watching the entire video. If you did enjoy this video, and if you do enjoy this video, please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. Let us dive right into it. So let us do a little bit of an unboxing. So inside the box there's a nice cute bag that comes with a brush. It's a very nice cute brush, very pretty, and has the writing Curlsqueen and the logo on it. And also there's a satin bonnet that is interchangeable with two sides, and as well there's also extra clip-ins that is for the hair in case you might need to replace it for some of your hair. And this here is the water jerry curly clip-in extensions that are 100% high-grade Brazilian virgin human hair. It comes in 10 pieces for a full head, and it is very thick, you guys. So the first two pieces have 5 clips, and the second 2 pieces have 4 clips, and the other 2 pieces have 3 clips, and the last 4 pieces of hair have 2 clips each. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash this hair, which is standard procedure, making sure it is clean before the install. I am going to wash the hair with shampoo and also condition it, and then rinse it out before I start installing it on my hair. So starting with the install, I have braided my hair and tucked it in. Did braid my hair in front according to how I'll be styling it. I will be doing the flip over method with a side part. So I've already conditioned, moisturized the hair so that it is nice and so that the curls are nice and bouncy once I start installing it. So I'll start by clipping in the hair with the 5 clips and just place them in a U-shaped part alongside towards the bottom of my hair, going upwards, and then I'll start lining up all the clip-in hair extensions until I reach the 2-part clips towards the top of my hair. One thing I like about this hair is that it is such premium quality, and the way it suits my hair texture is insane, because when I blend it in, like, you can't even tell I'm wearing clip-ins. It's just so confusing, and that's what I really like about it. It's really nice, the texture's on point, and it's pretty soft. It's not too kinky, but it's also the right amount of natural kinky coily clip-ins, and it's just basically water jerry, and it's nice, and the texture is also really great. So this hair is pretty thick, so when I line up my other sections, I will not line them up close to each other because I need room to breathe, okay? And this hair is pretty thick, and it is actually quite a lot. It is quite a lot, even if you were to use one piece per section of the clip-ins, so maybe use like the 5 clip-ins and the 4 clip-ins, and to use one of each rather than 2, it will still make sense. It will still do the job very well. But these clip-ins are really good, and they're very thick, like they're full of volume, and they're really good. So I'm just going to install these clip-ins for the rest of my hair until I reach the top, where I will line them up according to how I will be sectioning my hair in the front. I don't know if I've mentioned this already, but this hair comes in 18 inches, so all the bundles are 18 inches long. Okay, now so we're just going to unbraid the front braids that I did, and now this is the time where I will be blending in my hair with these clip-ins, and I think this is the most important aspect of installing clip-ins in order for you to get that flip over method where you kind of don't see where the clip-ins start, where your hair ends, and it's basically supposed to be a seamless process and seamless coverage essentially. So I'm just going to detangle my hair, spritz it with a little bit of water, and also condition it just so it can be moisturized and soft before I go in with my product, which is my gel that is going to define my curls. So you guys already know that I use the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Elongating Curling Gel to activate my curls, and I pretty much use this gel all the time when I want to activate my hair curls. So I'm just going to apply it on the section part of my hair in the front, and then go in it with a comb so that I can bring these curls to life. I think it's really important to use a product that you know is gonna define your curl so well that when you're actually installing the clip-ins and you're blending the clip-ins with your hair, it is very seamless and is so nice. So I love using this gel because I know it'll make my curls pop, and with this hair texture that I got, I know I can blend in my hair very nicely with the clip-ins. One thing that I do in order for me to actually blend my hair with the clip-ins, I first started with big sections. I do not know why. I probably got impatient, but essentially I'm going to blend my hair in with the clip-ins. So what I do is I sometimes take strands of my hair and strands of the clip-in hair, and then I twist it out in order for my hair that is short not to be seen. So kind of blending everything out. I think blending is the most important thing for this front part, just so you can be able to blend your hair in with the clip-ins. So essentially twist your hair with the clip-ins in order for you to get that nice natural look of the entire hair. So we're also going to do our edges. One thing about me, I love doing my edges, so I'm gonna do my edges so I can look fly, and that's what it is. So I'm just gonna do my edges just so I can also create that nice natural feel to the hair and just make it a very nice flip over and also a nice sleek side part. So that is it, you guys. Please comment down below on what you think about this hair. I will leave everything in the description down below about Curlsqueen and these curly clip ends. This looks bomb. It looks fire, guys. I mean, you can't even tell I'm wearing any clip ins. You'd think it's my hair if you didn't see me install this hair, to be honest. And I already got people asking me once I went out with this hairstyle if it was my hair or not. And to be quite honest, honestly, it's just, you know, it's it. Thank you guys for watching until this far. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.